Welcome to Biker's Choice, your go-to channel for all things motorcycle. Today, we're diving into the world of the Suzuki CV1000, a naked sport bike that perfectly balances power, style, and agility. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just exploring your options, the CV1000 is a model that deserves your attention. Overview. The Suzuki CV1000 is a motorcycle that has captured the hearts of many riders since its debut. With its muscular design and aggressive stance, the CV1000 exudes confidence. This bike is built on the solid foundation of the CV50, but takes it up a notch with a larger 996cc twin engine. This combination of aesthetics and performance makes the CV1000 a compelling choice for those who crave a naked sport bike experience. Engine and performance. At the core of the CV1000 lies a powerful 996cc twin engine that delivers a thrilling 120 horsepower and 78 lb-ft of torque. This engine provides a linear power band that ensures exhilarating acceleration, whether you're carving through twisty roads or cruising on the highway. The bike's fuel injection system enhances throttle response, allowing for a smooth and engaging ride. With a 6-speed transmission, the CV1000 offers precise gear shifts that keep the rider connected to the road. Riding experience. Riding the CV1000 is an experience unlike any other. The bike's ergonomics are designed to offer a comfortable yet aggressive riding position. With a seat height of 31.5 inches, it strikes a balance that suits a wide range of riders. The bike's lightweight frame and responsive handling make it agile in corners while maintaining stability at high speeds. So the fully adjustable suspension further enhances the riding experience, allowing you to tailor it to your preferences, whether you're commuting or hitting the track. Technology and features. While the CV1000 leans more toward a classic design, it doesn't skimp on modern technology. So the bike features a digital speedometer and a clear analog tachometer, providing essential information without overwhelming the rider. The braking system includes dual front discs and a single rear disc, offering strong stopping power and confidence in various conditions. With a simple and effective layout, the CV1000 prioritizes the rider's connection to the road. Customization. One of the most appealing aspects of the Suzuki CV1000 is its potential for customization. Riders can easily find a range of aftermarket parts, from exhaust systems to body kits, allowing them to personalize their bikes. Whether you want to enhance performance, improve aesthetics, or increase comfort, the CV1000 offers endless possibilities for customization, making it a canvas for your creativity. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Suzuki CV1000 is an iconic naked sport bike that delivers a powerful and engaging ride. With its impressive engine performance, comfortable ergonomics, and opportunities for personalization, it's a fantastic option for those seeking excitement on two wheels. Whether you're carving through canyons or enjoying a leisurely cruise, the CV1000 is ready to take you on unforgettable journeys. Thank you for watching Biker's Choice. If you found this overview of the Suzuki CV1000 helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more motorcycle content. Ride safe and see you on the road.